The name remains Hajara Denyaru Ibrahim, representing the good people of Nasarawa Central. Mr. Speaker, I want to commend my honorable colleague, member representing Doma South, for bringing this issue, and also to align myself with the two members that spoke before me. Mr. Speaker, it's very saddening and disheartening. The reports being received from various local governments that have so far received their palliative. The governor of Nasarawa State, Engineer Abdullahi Sule, made this with good intention to the people of Nasarawa State. The governor and his deputy went around various local governments to make the distribution. A bag of rice, either 50 kg or 77 kg, fourth bag to a person with 5,000 naira. But very disheartening to receive that some local government chairman or appointee of the government with critical stakeholders that can feed 100 people from their pocket in a day share this commodity with among themselves. Some were allocated 20 bags, some were allocated 10 bags with the money. Subhanallah. Subhanallah, Mr. Speaker. We are representing the people of Nasarawa State here. And the message the governor said, this item is for the poor of the poorest. Mr. Speaker, Almighty Allah will ask us in our graves, the people we are representing, whether this message was given to them properly or being diverted. I second the majority leader and deputy majority leader and Honorable Akwashiki. Mr. Speaker, the House should investigate this issue, and any stakeholder found wanting, any chairman or councillor found wanting, Mr. Speaker, he should be brought to book. Any person that was found receiving certain amount or bag of rice should be made to pay it back, and that local government should be informed publicly that so person, their name should be mentioned, that will serve as a veteran to others that will follow suit. Any bag of rice taken should be refunded with the amount, and the local government, poor of the poorest, should be called back to take their share, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.